A good canister vacuum can elevate your cleaning routine, offering power, convenience, and versatility. Whether you're dealing with carpets, hard floors, or upholstery, the best canister vacuum has got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the top options, comparing features and performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's jump into the best choices on the market today. Kenmore Elite Canister Vacuum. The Kenmore Elite Canister Vacuum is a game changer for pet owners looking for powerful cleaning and advanced filtration. With its motorized pet power-made attachment, this vacuum effectively lifts stubborn pet hair from carpets, furniture, and stairs without tangling. The two-motor system provides deep suction power, while the enhanced HEPA filter traps 99.7% of dust, dander, and allergens, making it perfect for homes with allergy. What sets the Kenmore Elite apart is its versatility. The crossover nozzle easily switches between carpet and bare floor cleaning, and the telescoping wand extends up to 11 feet for hard-to-reach areas. The vacuum also features an electronic dirt sensor, alerting you when an area is truly clean, and a swivel hose that provides smooth maneuverability. Despite its excellent features, some users have found the vacuum a bit heavy at 23 pounds, which might make it less convenient for quick use. However, the vacuum's comprehensive cleaning capabilities make it a great choice for those who need both efficiency and powerful suction. In conclusion, the Kenmore Elite 21814 is an outstanding option for tackling pet hair and allergens in a variety of home environments. Miele Blizzard Canister Vacuum. The Miele Blizzard Canister Vacuum is a top contender for those seeking a premium cleaning experience, especially for pet owners. First off, the vacuum's design is sturdy yet sleek, offering both style and functionality. With powerful suction thanks to Vortex technology, it tackles pet hair and fine dust with ease. The HEPA lifetime filter ensures that allergens and dust stay trapped inside, contributing to cleaner air in your home. One standout feature is the innovative monocyclic technology, which separates dirt more efficiently, making emptying the dust canister mess-free. The handheld turbo brush is a game changer for removing pet hair from upholstery and carpets, while the versatile floor heads work seamlessly across different surfaces. While the vacuum's weight and corded nature may not appeal to everyone, its performance more than makes up for it. It comes equipped with multiple useful attachments, making it versatile for every cleaning task, from floors to furniture. For those willing to invest in a premium cleaning tool, the Miele Blizzard C1 offers exceptional value. With its combination of powerful suction, high-quality filtration, and pet-specific features, it stands out as a top choice for pet owners. Highly recommended. Bissell Canister Vacuum. The Bissell Canister Vacuum is a standout choice for anyone in need of a reliable and portable cleaning solution. Weighing in at only 7.5 pounds, this vacuum is easy to carry and maneuver, making it ideal for quick and efficient cleaning around the house. Thanks to its cyclonic action and powerful suction, it performs exceptionally well on both carpets and hard floors, capturing even the finest dust particle. One of its standout features is the easy empty dirt cup, which allows for mess-free disposal of dirt with the push of a button. No more fussing with bags. Additionally, the vacuum comes with a 15-foot power cord that retracts automatically for easy storage, adding convenience to the overall user experience. The vacuum also includes essential tools like a crevice tool, dusting brush, and multi-surface floor tool, giving you versatility for different cleaning tasks. Overall, the Bissell Zing offers excellent value for its price point, delivering powerful performance in a compact and lightweight design. If you're looking for a vacuum that combines efficiency, ease of use, and affordability, this model is definitely worth considering. Miele Classic Canister Vacuum. The Miele Classic Canister Vacuum is a top contender for the best vacuum cleaner in 2025, particularly for homes with hard floors and low to medium pile carpets. Powered by a strong motor, it offers 6 suction power settings, allowing users to easily adjust for optimal cleaning on different surfaces. The unique Air Clean filtration system, featuring a Miele filter bag, motor protection filter, and Air Clean exhaust filter, ensures that the air in your home is cleaner after vacuuming, making it an excellent choice for those with allergies. What truly sets this vacuum apart is its maneuverability. With a lightweight design and 360-degree swivel wheel, you can glide the vacuum around furniture and tight spaces with ease. The included accessories, such as the Turbo TQ floor head for carpets, the Parquet 3 floor head for hard floors, and the dusting brush, crevice tool, and upholstery tool, make it versatile enough for a whole home clean. While the Classic C1 Turbo team is corded, it still delivers premium performance, and its durable construction and compact size make it an excellent long-term investment. For those seeking a high-quality bagged canister vacuum, this Miele model delivers exceptional value for its price.